Okay, hi, and welcome to part 2 in the DevSchool series in creating a radio community using MySQL and PHP. So in the last part we started creating our active web menu. So, once again, this is our menu, our inactive, and this is it on VoiceOver. So we want it to work. We want it to be like an active web menu for users. So we go to the slice tool in the web, the part of it, and make sure we're on state 1. And from the corner of the image, we're going to drag to about there for the home button, and that just shows you how much of it's going to be clickable for the home button. Then if we drag it to the about one, it shows us how much it's going to be clickable about the about button. So in the middle there's this ugly weird circly thing, so we're just gonna right click on that and click add simple rollover behavior. So if we press F12 now, it's not going to do anything because we're in the graphics, so you have to go out of it with the wee back arrow, and then you can press F12 or go to preview in browser and click the browser. So now it'll open up in Google Chrome, and since the slice is only on the home button, none of these other will be active except for the home button. See, that's how much of the slice we told it to be active, but we haven't linked it to anything, so it's not gonna be. It doesn't link to anything, even though it looks like it does. So we're gonna go back into Fireworks and we're gonna link the rest of them. So to save you doing all this again, you're just gonna right click inside of it and click on state, press Ctrl C and paste it again with Ctrl V. Now we're just going to make the about state, and since that looks a wee bit small, we're going to make the about state slightly bigger. So now this state has rollover as well, mouse over I mean, and the home button will as well, the products one will. On the menu I showed you that says listen, so you could see that it's just text, so just click the text tool and click on this and you can just change it. But for simplicity in the tutorial, I'm just going to keep it the way it is. And we're going to paste the state one more time and paste it over the contact. So now we have an active web menu. But in case you're wondering, on my menu that I made and I'm going to be using for the website, you might notice that it's upside down and the text is the right way around, so I'll show you guys how to do that as well if you want. So if you want it to be upside down, all we do is drag the mouse across them all and right click, transform, and then rotate 180 degrees. So there it has it's just rotated the whole image 180 degrees. So once again we'll do that with the second half. It's rotated, so it just moved out of place, so we'll just put this back where it was. Whoops. Undo. Yeah. Okay, that's just annoying. Why has it done that? But it shouldn't do that. So we're back on state 1, it's upside down, and I'm just going to select everything in this and rotate it 180, try it again. Don't know what just happened there. So just press the down arrow to bring it down. There. So there it is, fits properly. There. Slightly off, so select everything. That should be it. It gets a wee bit frustrating, but just make sure yours isn't off. If yours is off or anything, just try your best to fix it. So that's the best I can do to fix it, but as you can see, the text itself is upside down still. So what we're going to do is go to the Layers tab, and here's our menu labels. It's just Home. So there's the Home one, and there's the other three. So we're going to select that one, press Control, and select the next one. Control, select the next one, and the next one. And what we're going to do is right click, go, whoops, we have to click on this and click the Select Behind tool. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are all the layers selected. So select behind. Okay, so obviously that's not working. So 1, 2, 1. We're just gonna do it like this. So select layer 4, 3, 2, and then label 2 again. Right click on it and click transform, rotate 180. Whoops, too much. Transform, rotate 180, and there it is. And we're gonna just drag this back. So there it is, rotated, and we just have to do that with this slice as well. So all you do is just drag the first slice off, and then go to Layers. It's quite simple, really. And select your text. So why is this? Okay, I don't know why I did that, but I accidentally grouped them all. So I'm gonna try Control G. No. Okay, I don't know why I did that, but it's all grouped for some reason. So I can't rotate the other bit, but yours shouldn't be grouped. I don't know why mine is, and I really just can't be bothered to do it again and re-record it. So I'm just gonna show you. It's gonna look a wee bit weird because it's gonna be upside down. That's not upside down. See, it's upside down and then it's not. So yours shouldn't be like that, but I don't know why mine is. But that's basically the menu. So now we're gonna link it. So you're gonna click the mouse thing and select this a state. So double click inside the image where your states are, and on the first one you're gonna link it to whatever you want. So I'll link mine to http radiofrancis.tk, and the alt is when you wave your mouse over the just contact. The alt is when you wave your mouse over an image, and this here doesn't have an alt. See, so the wee thing doesn't pop up. See, usually when you wave your mouse over an image, a thing comes beside your mouse, as you probably already know, and it just has like a label, and that's what this is. So that's one of them linked. I'm not going to link them all. And what you do is go to click out of it first, and go to export, and if in the export we're gonna save it as HTML and images in our folder. This is just a test menu I made earlier. So you're gonna save it in your root folder, and you're just gonna I already did it earlier. So you're just gonna save it whatever you want it. Just example, mine's called menu. So as you can see here, menu. And it's menu underscore whatever the things are. So you just save it as menu and click save, and then now we're going to load it in Dreamweaver in the next tutorial. So in part 3 we'll be loading it into Dreamweaver and making it work properly. Okay, so thanks for watching. I know I mucked up a wee bit, but hopefully that didn't set you back, and if all this will be in the source code with the working menu that I'm going to be using. And if you liked the tutorial, comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't be afraid to ask me any questions that you might have. Okay.